We're cleaning her up today, folks. A little cleaning here. Yeah, told you. Working just fine. See? Told you. God damn it. It's working good. Hey, you killed my power. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Damn it.
Come back in.
See, folks.
Go throw it in the morning.
No, what we're going to show you, see, folks, you have that squealing noise you hear on these dewalts. All right, we always tape them closed, folks, because it's this extra hand. That grease in here gets old, and the only way to access it is you have to chip it open so you can fill it back with grease, and then we'll put a little bit of duct tape over that. But these dewalts will take abuse, especially on the farm, folks. Wow, she really. They take the abuse pretty good. That thing's screaming. 10,000 RPM. Good way to burn up a good dewalt, folks. All right. I think we're getting ready to put the abuse to it right here, folks. There you go. There you go. See the abuse? There you go, folks. It just let it sit there like that. It's just a little bit of abuse. You can't kill them, folks. Made USA. Made USA, folks. Yep. That's exactly what happened. Yeah. Yeah, she's fucking on fire, I think. Yep. She is on fire. She is on fire, folks.
Hey, come here. Got a problem.
Yeah. Yeah, she smoked. She smoked. That guy with a fire extinguisher. All right. Yeah, she's on fire. Yeah, I had to throw her outside. About burned down the barn, folks. She smells like plastic and rubber burning. Huh? Oh, you don't need the fire extinguisher. She's out here in the mud. Huh? She's thrown out in the field.
What'd you do with the tiger paw? Oh, you fucked it
The
up.
tiger paw broke.
Oh, man. Watch out.
Dad, don't, you're wasting it.
What? It's fucking break.
Oh, it's fire extinguisher? It ain't gonna catch fire.
You just told me it was on fire.
It was. I threw it outside.
It's cooling down a little good.
All right, folks. So the main drive head is broke, and we're just gonna unbolt it, and we'll order a new one tomorrow morning. Have the parts guy come out and get it going, because that grinder was shot.
Let's see if it's back in.